It looks like a lot of you watching this movie think that 1000 XRP will make you rich. I have some bad news for you. For example, 1000 XRP won't make you a fortune, but in today's video, we'll talk about how much you'll need to save up over the next few months if you really want to get rich. If you think that's cool, click the like button. Now, let's watch the video. First, I want to say that XRP is much more likely than most other coins to make you a millionaire. However, it is clear why XRP has a lot more promise when you compare it to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In other words, you could buy a lot less XRP today than Ethereum or Bitcoin and still make lots of money. Because of a few things, it will make you more money in the long run. First, the market capitalization is much lower. Second, it's taking advantage of a much bigger market. And finally, you can put your XRP to work and earn big returns. These rates are over 10% AP, which you don't see anywhere else with Ethereum or Bitcoin unless you're going to a really bad place where you'll probably lose all your money, which isn't the case here, because of all the great DeFi apps you have access to for this environment. Also, I want to point out that XRP has been doing much better than Bitcoin and Ethereum lately. I mean, today's another great example. In the past 24 hours, XRP has gone up 2.5%. While this is going on, Bitcoin is actually having a hard time breaking even 1%. And assets like Ethereum are also not doing as well as XRP. When you compare XRP to other cryptocurrencies, it is so much better right now. Now is a great time to invest in XRP, especially since it's trading for only 52 cents. If you were thinking about putting money into Ethereum, Bitcoin, BNB, or Solana, now is the time to do it. Well, since we're talking about chances, now is also a great time to open XRP positions if you want to trade with leverage, since you can see both the blue and orange lines are below. That being said, I think now is a great time to take a 5x leveraged long position on XRP. This is going to be a great time to sell if you see any days with negative price movement. Now, looking at the weekly charts, we can see that XRP is almost overbought. But as I've already shown you, XRP is much better than other crypto assets. I believe buying XRP is a lot safer at the moment than purchasing Ethereum. That should tell you everything you need to know. However, I would like to talk more about how much you can make with XRP besides just dollar cost averaging and leverage trading. There are many other ways to make a lot of money with it, and if you do it right, you'll be a millionaire by the end of this bull run. Also, I'm sorry to tell you this, but it's not true. 1000 XRP isn't enough. Let's be honest about this. It's crazy that $500 worth of XRP can go up to $1 million. It's like 200 times the amount of money you could make in that job. We all want that to happen, and risk-free trade could make it happen. But that's not enough now. There will be a little more money that you guys will need to put in. If you really want to become a millionaire, especially in the next 12 months, then I think our main goal should be to collect 10,000 XRP. At the current price, that's about $5,200 worth of XRP. Because of what's going on in the world's politics, you might be able to get a great deal on XRP over the next few days. From where things stand now, the crypto business is going to take a small step back. People aren't sure what will happen because they don't know who will win the US election this month. No one knows what Jerome Powell, the head of the Federal Reserve, will do about interest rates. He could keep them the same, raise them, or drop them. There's a lot of doubt, and when there's doubt, prices don't move up very quickly, which is good for you. This is not a bad thing, don't get me wrong. Yes, we'll have a couple percent up today and a couple percent down tomorrow, but that just gives you guys time to stock up for a great deal because you can buy XRP for 50 cents, $1, $2, or $3, depending on your budget. To be honest, it's your choice. But I do know this: when it goes up to $1, $2, or $3, you'll wish you bought it for 50 cents, right? XRP hasn't done anything too crazy in the last month, at least not yet. In fact, it's down 13%. You have an asset like XRP that you know has a lot of promise. Are you going to buy it when it's on sale or when it's too expensive? I showed you that the technicals show that it's on for a great price right now. Let's use that to our advantage, but let's also trade with it. Having said that, the number we have now is 10,000 XRP. I want to talk about this number a little more because it is very important and will make you a lot of money if you use it correctly. Also, don't forget to use my link to sign up for Margex in the description below. And if you're going to do that now, make sure you open your leverage positions with XRP. I already said it's a great time. There is a lot of money to be made on XRP right now, as shown by the daily stochastic RSI. If you want to do that, go ahead. Now that we've covered that, let's talk about how to use the rest of your XRP bank. Here is the first one. Going to xmagnetic.org will let you put your money to work by giving cash to a number of different groups. These pools can be found at xmagnetic.org. The page you're looking at has all of them. There are some great choices here, but the APRs are crazy. In general, the riskier an asset is, the higher the APR. This is because the asset you are selling, like XGO, or while Meg's ecosystem does have a lot of people participating, the trading pair coin is a lot more volatile. However, there are also a lot more opportunities, right? Because some people make millions of dollars by working with these kinds of ecosystems. In this case, Meg/XRP does the trick. This one has a 27.63% APR. You have a token that is equal parts Meg and XRP, and you're making these services more liquid. Take this one as an example. 1,957 people from different pockets have contributed to it, and the TVL locked rate has only gone down by 3% in the past week. This means that more than 5.8 million XRP is locked in, and people are getting a huge amount of money just by being a part of it. It's also very simple to set up. You only need to link your wallet and put XRP into your mag. After that, you just need to press your button and you're done. After that, you don't want to stake it anymore. It's easy to pull away and move on with your life. In general, the less risk there is in an environment like this, the more people who contribute to it. For the simple reason that, well, there are a lot more people trading both sets of tokens in the ecosystem. And if we look at the last week, this thing has only gone down 3.11% in the last month. In fact, it's up 90%. That's really strange. If you look at the past year, this thing has made people rich already. We're talking about people who have been staking in this and basically just letting their money grow and compound, and they're restaking and getting these crazy rewards, right? 412,600%. In fact, I think most of you in this pool can't even begin to understand that number. That being said, it is pretty crazy how much TVL is going up and how much these tokens have cost going up over 500% in the last year, right? In short, there are a lot of opportunities in the XRP market. There's no time like the present, right? I mean, I know that 99% of the people watching this video aren't taking advantage of these kinds of chances because we're in a very special time where we're just waiting for the market to get better in 2025. So now you have two real choices. You can either do nothing with your XRP and make a 1% to 2% yield on it on an exchange, or you can trade it for something else and get 10 times the yield. Both of these options are pretty low risk and provide liquidity in different pools. Also, my general experience with all of these pools has been nothing but amazing, and I really hope that you guys will do the same. This method has helped me make a huge amount of money that has changed my life. But yes, Magnetic is a brand that does that. There are many more out there. If you search for LPXRP staking, you'll find a lot of different DeFi systems that let you do this. You can also check out the top LP pools for XRP to see what other people are doing. Meg is one of the biggest ones right now, but as you can see, XCO is also very big. There are a lot of them. Wow, there are a lot of choices and ways to make great money. You can even pair Bitcoin and XRP. The APR will be much lower, but Bitcoin has less danger. So yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff out there. I do want to know what you all think of this movie as a whole, though. If you liked it, please click the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to sign up for Margex to open up your XRP positions and get free crypto just for trading. They offer great bonuses. See you next time. Goodbye.